Very good. Last 3 left. Trace it properly. Oh my god, you're not doing it well. Trace it properly. We're not going to open your toys. Do it properly. Wow. Oops. Oh my god. Do it well na. Okay. Oh my god.
There's only 2 left.
Yes, there's only 2 left. So you need to write. Yay!
There's only 1 left.
Yes. Wow, you're doing it well. And I'm proud of you.
There's only 0 left.
Yes po. And then we can build the parts of the house. And then we're going to play after. Excuse me. Okay, 1 last.
It's too much easier.
So much easier? Why? Are you tired now? Your left hand is so tired?
Yes.
You can rest for a while, then you can continue after. You can count 1 to 5, then open shut your hands like this. Okay. You can continue. So we can play na. Oh no, hold your pencil well. Oh my god. I think mommy will be mad again. Hold your pencil well. Hold your pencil well. Here, like this. Are you tired now?
Yeah.
Okay, you can rest for a while. For 5 seconds.
No,
Open, shut, like this.
Pens.
Like this with your hand.
No, 100 million.
100 minutes? Oh, that's
No.
so long. Okay.